Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to verify your YouTube account. So let's get into it. First of all, open your preferred web browser and type in youtube.com/verify. You will be taken to a page to select your country and method of verification. Select to receive the verification code by text or voice call. Both methods will provide you with a 6-digit verification code to enter on the page. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number. Click Get Code. You will either receive a verification code by text message or via an automated phone call, depending on which method you selected. You should only have to wait for a few seconds. If you do not receive the code within a reasonable time frame, you can request a new one. Enter the 6-digit verification code and click Submit. A message will display notifying you of the successful verification. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.